And we have dilly beans and ring peppers. Let's see, they just got off the canner. Dilly beans, and then that's the dill slices for hamburgers. Then we have dilly carrots, and then we have the ring, mild ring peppers. So that's what we did today. Everything that I took out of the garden, it's all canned up. So more later. We are now putting this stuff on a shelf.
That's strawberry.
Yeah, strawberry.
Yeah.
Do we have an extra strawberry in here?
Yes. One strawberry left over.
Okay.
So,
So strawberries are gonna look like strawberries up at the top, so you know.
yep.
We still got peach. We got 2 peaches left still. What is that? That's a strawberry, right? From last year.
Yep.
Okay.
Strawberry.
All right. We're looking at our stores right now. Yeah. Those are peach. And we did we did pineapple, passion fruit, and we did cherry this year, sour cherry. So this should be good. These are all our jams and our apple sauces. This should be good for a year with extra. And I think there's blueberry. We got blueberry up here still. That looks like blueberry right there. Or no, that looks like grape. We still got grape, blueberry. We still have, yeah, we got lots of stuff still. Strawberry.
What do we call these now? Cherry, or the sour cherry, or?
These are sour cherry, or just cherry. Yeah. Hey, baby.
Yes, ma'am.
Down here, what's on the other side of these right here? What are those? Yeah. Those are, they look.
Are these your
Dandelion?
dandelion? Yes.
That could be dandelion, yeah. Because didn't think I made anything else, so I got 2 dandelion left. So our store is building up for the jams and the jellies, so that's good.
Do you want them against the wall?
Just the old ones in the back, and
5 foot.
yeah, just rotate them. That's all.
Yep.
We'll just eat them as we go. And that's the syrup right there.
Some more syrup.
That's syrup over there. How many do we got there? There's 4 plus 1 upstairs. That's 5.
Okay.
And then how many out in the
There's
refrigerator?
11 out in the refrigerator.
Okay, good. And then we still have our apple filling right there, and then 1 corn yet,
And then we
and
have
then cinnamon applesauce,
applesauce.
cinnamon applesauce, and regular applesauce. All the apple butter's gone. I can tell that.
Here's our
Vanillas,
vanillas.
and yeah, those are our Harvest Fresh products right there. Yeah, that's more vanilla here. Vanilla.
A
And
bit of wine.
yeah, that's my husband's new stock up of wine, homemade wine.
Do one of these.
We can't drink this, and it's got to sit for a whole year. So we got some time to go. Yep,
Here's
and then
the eggs.
these are our eggs,
Water eggs.
our glass eggs, or glass water eggs. So far so good. I don't see no mold. I see something on this one here, but it still looks.
Crack, but that's
Yeah.
light. Jars.
Just keep an eye on it. If it's really bad, moldy or something like that, it should be okay. Then we have homemade caramel right there, and that's tomatoes. We made tomato paste out of tomatoes. This is cheese from Harvest Right, mixed vegetables from Harvest Right, and our green beans from Harvest Right. We got what is this? This is pea soup right here. This is bean soup. Yeah, there's bean soup there. I'll have to try that out one day.
This is the rum
Yeah.
vanilla.
This, yeah, that's the sweet rum. I think it's spiced rum. Spiced rum vanilla, which is different. And over here is our Harvest Right eggs, or powdered eggs. Lots of them. We have a lot of them in there. Over here we still have our chicken broth, which reminds me I should bring that up and make something out of it. And then we have two of these. We love. Oh, I love these. I don't know if my husband does, but I love these rings. I need to make more. But in here we have a stock up of water just in case. Then we just hung those today. That's our dill and then our cilantro. Over here we have, what do we have? Our
Garlic.
yeah, we have garlic. Oh boy, Steve. These are our onions down here, which will be planted this fall. Well, I don't know about this fall. Probably next spring if they hold out, whatever holds out. And then more potatoes down there. I don't know if they'll hold out. We'll see what happens.
Smells like garlic.
Yeah, it does. More later.